Everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream, Utah. On this Maintenance Monday, I want to talk to you about lubricating your step. Join me. So I have in my hand here some silicone spray, and what I want to just remind everyone is all the moving parts, metal and metal kind of thing, it's always best to keep those things lubricated. And we use silicone spray because it's a good lubrication, things don't stick to it, and it provides protection over time. So on the Basecamp 16, the Basecamp 20, any other Airstream with the fold-out steps, any moving parts, lubricating here and here, and getting underneath and checking out those parts that are farther back that's not visible when you're just standing right here. Very, very important. Get you some silicone spray, put in your little tube, give a little spray here, 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 and here, and move it around a little bit, spray it again, and that should be good. Do the same on your standard Airstream step. Lubricate every one of these joints. Once you've had them all lubricated, fold the step up completely and unfold it a number of times to get it completely lubricated, and keep that process up. Check the maintenance section of your Airstream manual, chapter 8, to verify when it's recommended that you do all the lubrication and all the maintenance on your rig for that matter. Doing so will keep your rig in good working order for many, many years to come. If you have any questions about this or anything else on your Airstream, please give us a call, send us an email, or better yet, stop by. We'd love to help you out in person. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.